Hi. So today we are going to be doing the off-shoulder dress or off-shoulder top. So today I decided that we should exhaust everything that has to do with the bodies. Okay, so the off-shoulder dress also it involves a bodice. So I'm just going to do it on a small piece so that you just know how to do it. Then we'll draft it on the material. So we'll get, since we're working with the smaller part, we're going to be using we'll use centimeters. Okay, no, I don't want to confuse you. We just use smaller inches. So we're going to do our shoulder measurements. If our shoulder measurement is 17 divided by 2, we'll find it 7.5. So if our 7.5 is here, this is our shoulder. Coming down, we'll come down to our bust point. Our bust point is is 10 inches. So we'll just take it like this is our 10 inches like that. Okay, so from there we are going to find our bust circumference. Okay, we'll get it. For instance, it's our 10 is here. When we divide bust divided by 4, so we'll go down to our under bust. For instance, our under bust is here. Then we'll also find our under bust circumference, which we'll put as here like this. So I'm just going to draw the lines so that we are sure with what we are making, what we are doing. Okay, so we are going to do our armhole, which is bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. We'll measure, and for instance, our bust point, our armhole ends here. Then we are going to do our circumference, which is supposed to be the same with the bust, like this. Okay, so we'll connect like that, then connect like that. So in this case, we are going to do our 1 inch inside, then go with our armhole depth like that. Okay, so for the bodice, if it's just the bodice, we'd have added our neck like that. But since it's an off-shoulder dress, what they do is that you're going to come down from the shoulder to down 4 inches and take it out. So our 4 inches is here, so we are going to remain with this. Okay, so meaning when we cut it, we only have that. So if it's a dress, you will go and flare it like that. If you want, you can connect it to a pencil skirt. What's that? Okay, you connect it to a pencil skirt like that. Okay, you connect it to a pencil skirt like that, meaning you do everything that you are doing on the bodice, the darts and everything you do it. Then you do your darts. Remember the ones we did on the bodies? Then we'll do the same thing for the skirt. Yeah, you are connecting. If you are not connecting a skirt, you want it just to be one thing, you can just drop it like this. If you want it to be flare, you go flare like that, or you cut it on a circle, which I'll show you when we're doing the circle dress. Otherwise, there is nothing more, or as in nothing different. So if you're making a loose dress, you will add in your ease allowance from here. Your ease allowance from here before you cut on the fabric. you will add your ease allowance here, meaning your bodice will start from here, your bodice off shoulder. Otherwise, this is what an off shoulder draft look like. So it's out of a bodice. So I know that it's going to be easy for you to understand because you're now getting acquainted with the bodice. So the other thing that you're going to do is that from there you are going to measure the size of your elastic, which you are going to add in here like this, in here like this. Then you add your elastic. Then the sleeves for the I'm going to show you how to draft the sleeves for the off shoulder dress because they're a bit different from the one like the smart shirt. So we'll go into drafting it on the fabric. So we're making an off-shoulder dress so that in case for those that want to make dresses, they know, and those ones that I make tops, you will know where to end. Okay, so we have got 4 pieces like this. Okay, when you've done, you folded everything on fold, you need to measure your widest part of your board. Okay, so when you folded your fabric, you can now start with your measurement time. So if our bust point is 10, we are going to take away 4 inches and 4 inches like that, then put our bust, because that's an off shoulder. You don't need to necessarily know, let me get them from here, then I'll cut off the 4 inches, which is not needed. That one is going to be a waste of fabric. So we'll remove 4 inches and we'll start from here. Okay, we'll remove our 4 inches because it's an off shoulder and start from there. Let me just align them nicely. This can be, I'm just looking at the prints. This can be also good facing down. Yeah, to make you look smaller.